Hi friends, State Bank of India has given a notification for recruitment of junior associates and important dates. Means opening date of application is 27/4/2021 and closing date is 17/5/2021 and preliminary examination will be conducted tentatively in the month of June 2021 and main examination will be conducted tentatively on 31/7/2021. These are approximate dates tentatively, so they are given tentatively. Candidates are advised to check regularly bank's website bank.sba.sba/careers or www.sbi.co.in/careers for details and updates. The examination will be as means there's a point number 4 there details are given, and here are the vacancies on regular basis and backlog vacancies. Circles are given and vacancies are given like Ahmedabad 902, Bangalore 400, Bhopal 78. So like this circle wise vacancies are given. So anyway, I will give this notification link in the description. You can find. And if you see here, the main eligibility criteria, that is age limit is, so the candidate's age should not be below the 20 years and above the 28 years as on 1/4/2021, and some dates are given, and there is a relaxation of upper age limit for SC and ST candidates 5 years, OBC candidates 3 years, PWD candidates, that is general and EWS candidates 10 years. This is person with disabilities, and in that SC ST candidates, if there means 15 years, OBC candidates 13 years, like this is given. And if you see the qualifications, essential academic qualifications as on 16 means qualification must be graduation in any discipline from a recognized university or any equivalent qualification recognized as such by central government. Candidates having integrated dual degree certificate should ensure that the date of passing of this integrated dual degree is as on or before 16/8/2021. And here, those who are in the final year or semester of their graduation may also apply provisionally, subject to the condition that if provisionally selected, they will have to produce proof of having passed the graduation examination on or before 16/8/2021. And some reservations are given, so this you can read out, and some abbreviations are given. And here if you see the selection procedure, the selection process will consist of online test, that is preliminary and main examination, and also test of specified opted local language. So the phase 1 is preliminary examination, so it consists of objective test for 100 marks, will be conducted online. This test would be of 1 hour duration, consisting of 3 sections like English language, number of questions 30, maximum marks 30, duration is 20 minutes, numerical ability 35, maximum marks 35 and duration is 20, reasoning ability 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. So total is 100 questions, 100 marks, 1 hour. So each test will have a separate timing as mentioned above, and there will be negative marks for wrong answers in the objective test. 1/4 of the marks assigned per question will be deducted for each wrong answer. So like this some conditions are given, and the phase 2 is a main examination, and these are the divisions like general and financial awareness, 50 questions, 50 marks, 35 minutes, general English 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes, quantitative aptitude 50 questions, 50 marks, 45 minutes, reasoning ability and computer aptitude 50 questions, 60 marks and 45 minutes, total 190 questions, 200 marks, 2 hours 40 minutes is the time for this main examination. The question in objective test, except for test of general English, will be bilingual. It is English and Hindi. There will be negative marks for wrong answers in objective test, and some points are given here. So if you see here, preliminary exam is tentatively on schedule in June 2021. So for this, you have to regularly check the bank's website, SBI website, and also for main exam. If you see the pay scale, is a pay scale given, and the starting basic pay is 19,900, and so like this pay scale is given, and there is a probation period of the newly appointed junior associates will be on probation for a minimum of 6 months period. So this you can read out in the notification. And the call letters for interviews you have to download from the website, and the tentative dates are given, and no hard copy of the call letter, and this booklet will be sent by post. You have to download this call letters for examinations from the website only. And if you see the application fee for SC, ST, PWD, XS and DXS candidates, there is no fee, and for general, OBC and EWS candidates there is a fees of 750 rupees, and this is non-refundable. Fee charges once paid will not be refunded on any or neither it will be held in reverse for any other examination or selection. And if you see, to apply you have to visit the website, and after that you have to register, and after registration you have to pay the fees through online mode by using debit card, credit card or internet banking facilities. And if you have help in case of any problem of filling up form, payment of fee, charges or receipt of admission, call letter queries may be made at telephone. This number is given, and the timings are given like, and the guidelines for filling online applications are given. Candidate should first scan their photograph, signature, left thumb impression, and a handwritten declaration as detailed under guidelines for scanning the photograph and signature in the Annex 2. So here some text is given. This should be handwritten. Left thumb impression, you have to put left thumb impression and take it, scan, keep it ready, and some points are given. Printout of application form is not to be sent to the SBI, means you have to apply online mode only. And this is some, here some general information is given, you can read out this, and some proformas are given, and these are the tentative list of centers for preliminary examination, main examination and pre-examination training, and like this, these are the tentative locations of examination. So you can read out in the notification. And these are some guidelines for scanning and uploading of photograph for signature, left thumb impression and handwritten declaration. Some size of the photograph is given, so you can read all these things. So thanks for watching. Please like and share my video with your friends. Thank you.